what's up, how's everything going? I'm here with a new video and it is gonna be a long one because I thought why should I do something different than I do regularly other than makeup and fashion. So you know how much a big fan I'm of Miniso. So I have shopped a lot from Miniso, as you know me guys. So I thought why not, I will review the products and do a Miniso haul. So here I am with a Miniso haul, and here is the huge package of shopping that I did. Yes, I'm disappearing in this. Can you see this guys? Don't forget to follow me in Instagram under the handle of Ashita_Agarwal_12, and don't forget to subscribe in my this YouTube. So I'm gonna show you today all what I bought from Miniso. Is a Japanese brand and yet affordable product. It provides you from kitchen to toilet, slippers, footwear, bags, especially big section of bags, skincare products, makeup products. So I'm a huge fan of their brand for bags and shoes. So bags is my thing.
I'm here for a long chit chat session, so take out your popcorn and just sit and watch.
So any further ado, let's get into the video. So talk of the bag and I'm there. You know me that I love bags, so I'll start with bags. So the first thing I got for myself is this bag. This is a cute sling bag that I got from their bag section, and it is very affordable, you guys. It is literally very affordable and it's so cute and small. Can you see this? And it is a rubbery sort of thing, so you can use it in rains or monsoons also. And it has a huge storage space. Yes, some amount of money is left inside, and I love the little detailing of it. As you can see, this metal lock, I love this metal lock, and this metal chain, it is so chic and very luxury. I'll go to start with this and I'll tell you in a minute what is it. So guys, you know I'm a sucker for clean and tidy room, clean outfit, closet and everything clean. So if anything goes wrong, it's not in my good mood. So the best way to keep a good vibes and a good smell in your room is the best way to keep it clean and with a good fragrance. So I bought this, and this is very needed, very much needed in your wardrobe. It is, I will tell you, it is in the Lotus Flavor modern collection of sachet from the Lotus flavor, and it got 4 packs like this. As you can see, these packs should be hanged in your wardrobe, and your wardrobe and your clothes will smell like hell. Yum. It will like you are walking into forest, because you have a choices in this, and these are testers. I love it guys. I love these kind of soft yet floral, that musty and forest look, forest flavor, and it is just for rupees 190, you guys. Sorry for the packaging, I tore it. So it is just for one, last for like 15 days to a month if you use it wisely. You have to just, especially during monsoon, because as you know, your clothes smells badly even if it is washed. So it helps. They have in different shape, size, quantity, and thin or thick also. So moving up to next section, you guys, I'll move to this. You know I'm a sucker for makeup also, and this is very much needed for those who do makeup or not. These are cotton pads, and Miniso has like 1,000 of them in different shapes, design, price and quality, and these are thicker ones. I went over and bought the thicker ones because it when you do a heavy makeup, it needs a thicker consistency. So can you see this guys? Yeah, I have used the half of it. It has 100 soft touch cotton pads, and can you see it is so layered and thick? Can you see this guys? I love thick consistencies cotton because it is very easy to remove your makeup without trashing into your skin, like rubbing it and it is not going. But this will help because it absorbs makeup very fast, and it is, the price is not mentioned in this, but it costed me around 190 to 220, and it has 100 thick cotton. So This is very essential and everyone must go and check their section out also. So the next thing, you guys, I bought this cute nail color for cute baby nails because I chopped my nails, and it is very good for nail, French formula, and it costed me just for 99 bucks, only 99 bucks, guys. It is in the shade light blue. Here I'm with this is a whitening skin toner. So I hated this formula because this is very bad for your skin, and it gave me rashes. My skin was peeling and it gave me an uneven skin tone. So I will tell you, suggest you not to buy. It is a waste of money, you guys. And if it is visited, I will show it to you. The packaging is very good. I'll not complain about the packaging. See, it is a cute milky bottle and it is glass bottle, and once you open it, it smells very pure and natural, but once you use it, uneven skin tone, and you don't want that, guys. So I will suggest not to buy this, and it costed me for 650 or 670 bucks, and I think it is not worth. Going up to next section, you guys, you know everyone how much love the perfume, so do I. So I bought this from Miniso itself, Dating You, and it has the cutest packaging, yet it has the cutest packaging, and the fragrance is amazing, you guys. Can you see? So cute. Can you see? This is so cute. Such a tiny bottle, only for 10 ml, and it costed me for 450 or to 500 bucks. Show it to you guys. The fragrance is so pure, it's very near to earth, foresty, and not yet minty and too fruity. I don't like very harsh or too mild or too harsh fragrances, but it is between in that. And it is just for 450 to 500 bucks. And they have a lot of variety in this, and it is a unisex perfume, guys. You can have male also, and I'll take this out. And this pictures only shows what is inside this. Yes, it was very handy, and yet I was looking for a good tripod sort of thing. So this is a fiber sort of wiring thing. You just have to clip this thing to the table and this thing to the top of this to
hold yourself. You have to just clip this thing and tighten this up. And it is done.
So you will clip your mobile in this and a table in this, and then you can shoot and take pictures. It is very handy and very lightweight, and it is for, I don't know why there is no price mentioned in these boxes. Okay, so it is very affordable, guys, and it is of good quality. And can you see big strap for that? So it is just for 230, you guys, and I think it is very affordable for such a useful thing, and you can take good pictures with it. So again, moving to the next section, and I'm telling you guys, bags are gonna kill me because my mom's gonna throw me out if I buy one more bag now, and I have no space left for bags in my wardrobe now because I got one more. Yes, I got one more. You know, I'm a huge sucker for bags. And yet another cute light blue sling bag, and this is also from Miniso, and it is just for $7.90, but I got this in discount, so it was around $5.90 or $5.50 for me, and I love it. Can you see the space? It has a space. It's like a square different shaped box, and it has two straps to hold it. You can hold it like this, like a bag, and so I love it. I will soon use this. And the one thing that is not good about this bag is it has a small opening. You can't put huge stuff in this. Only mobiles or chargers or power bank or something like that will go inside this. But then too, this bag is cute. So guys, hope this video was helpful for you, and hope you'll go, and next time you visit any Miniso store, and you will go and remember me what I said about things, and you will buy likewise. So do visit their store. It is nearby, and this is not a sponsored video, guys. This is not a sponsored video at all. This is just I like Miniso products and I wanted to review for you guys that it will be easy. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share in my video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.